Hey, look, a new subscriber.
Thanks everyone present over here, and in today's video we are going to be continuing our series on OWASP top 10, which includes sensitive data exposure. Now it's a very big vulnerability if you ask me about it. Now generally what happens is the big companies like Facebook or WhatsApp, well, they're both owned by Mark Zuckerberg only, so he generally divulges most of the data, like your many referential data, like date of birth, financial information, etc. Those types of details I'm talking about. Now those types of details are way too easy to find, like almost anywhere. Now imagine just he releasing him releasing your username and password of Facebook account. Now, it generally means that all their details, everything about you, is going to the hacker if you don't have a two-factor authentication, that is. Well, that is also bypassable now these days. Now, they can all, if we go to a bit more complex level over here, we will just see attack known as a man in the middle attack. For example, two persons are communicating, a person comes in between and listens to overhears your conversation with that other person. Now that's what we call a man in the middle attack. So they generally take advantages of weak encryption, or if you don't have encryption then you're already screwed, my friend. So there are many simpler examples of vulnerabilities, and it's way too common. Like every day there are new details on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. These all details are almost like spreading out like virals. Now I don't believe that WhatsApp is that screwed right now, but still. Now let's get to the important part over here. Just imagine me getting into your system by this data. Now you are understanding, and you are now probably paranoid over your security or something, but believe me, you're not. You don't, you have no idea what a hacker can do with your data. You can just give me a username and password in the comment box and you will see a new world, as long as you don't change that username and passwords in your system and then you give it to me. Well, that's a different story. So, uh, most common way in order to store the data is through SQL, which stores it in a database generally. SQL stands for SQL Query Language, or sorry, Structured Query Language, and there's also called NoSQL, but right now it's not important right now. So it's the most common way to store things in a database. Now imagine yourself storing things in the database like that. Now imagine I send your SQL database into this server. So imagine you must be thinking that what would happen much. I'll just put that thing into the files, and then I'll just see through all the data that is over there, which is almost akin to having all the data within myself. Now imagine you have put a file named password. There's a table in there called password. Now you just go to it and use the see the usernames and passwords over there, right? Now imagine, and there is no encryption on it, like it's way too easy, like an MD5 hash code. Boom, the system is doomed. So over here we will be using the SQLite tree, which is a common, very good tool if you ask me about it, and plus it's also asking me to give it. So uh, let's just get on with it. See the video part. Um, okay, so this is the thing, blah blah blah, SQLite, as I told you before. Now let's get straight to the goddamn business. So you see, this is the tool SQLite tree that we will be using. So this is the website that we are going to hack of tryhackme, of course. And I did a go buster scan, and I found assets over here, and then I saw a file webapp.db, and then I downloaded it. So let's just get it from my download folder. So where is it? My download folder should be around let's see, where is, okay, webapp.db, tab space dot enter ls. Now I'm just going to play with it a bit. SQLite tree and webapp.db. So just put it over here, and then select star from, oh sorry, I forgot something, show databases semicolon. So it's not showing databases. So generally it does not work like that. It has a particular way for working this SQLite tree tool. So I'll just show you how. So this is the tool, and then we put dot tables over here. So dot tables, and then SQLite database name, etc. So we just play with like that. Now let's first look for tables or whatever. So select star from customers, blah blah blah. So after that it's just general. Select star from users. I'm quite interested in users. That was just an example, that's not real. So users. So this over here we have got user admin, Bob, Alice, and this is something, this is something. So let's just start with I don't know. So we just got it, select star from dump, and then we can do other things. So let's just crack some passwords over here, shall we? So let's copy it, and then my experience is telling me it's MD5 hash, and then I use this cracker. So let's just put it over here like this, and then algorithm MD5, and then Crifoxul at hell. No, I have already read it. How many times do I always have to come here and read it? Like seriously. So it's up to you to read it generally. So submit. So ND5 crypt algorithm invalid. So okay, I got the error over here. I think I got it. It's not MD5 crypt, it's MD5. So let me just show you. Put the hash, and then yeah. So let's just see, it's MD5, not MD5 hash crypt. Okay, so let's get on to something new. MD5 hash cracker. Now let's wait. Crack station is good, and I'll just open it in just in case if crack station also does not work. So hacking is generally all about trial and error, all about you do. So crack hashes. Okay, so we have got, okay, I think I have found the problem. Once again, I'm a genius. Well, not a genius if I did something like this. So I'll just give you, crack station is an amazing tool, which is what I think. I used to do it a lot. I used to use it a lot in my beginning days. So I'll just, yeah, here, I'm not a robot, crack hash. So the first is rectangle. Okay, that's a weird password. I'll just paste it, and then admin, and then enter. Wait a second. Just control C over here, cat /10 and login underscore details.txt. This file is amazing. You just have to create files and you have to keep all the data that you get, like almost everything. If you get into a bit professional level, this is what's important, and you have to organize it properly, because if you don't, you'll suffer like me. So I'm not a robot again. Seriously. Yep, just a bicycle. Here, it's kind of fun. Crack hashes tells to, so let's just see, tells to Bob. That's a weird name. My dog's name is Bob. Well, I'm sorry for all these Bobs out there. No, I think that would be it. Okay, there's nothing here to it, so let's just get on with it. Okay, have you found anything over here? No, we don't need you, and I don't need you too. So let's just go over here. After this, I'll go to Bob's home, I think, if it's necessary. You can visit Bob's home over there. It's kind of interesting if there's something to it. So I'm not answered any questions, so let's just answer it. Okay, I don't need to read it. I can already see through it. Complete. Now, last but not the least. Oh, finally, this is the part where it all begins. Assets. Right? It was assets, right? So, yeah. That's how I keep all the data safe. Now, navigate the directory found in the question. Okay. So, what was the file's name? Web app. Okay. Use the supporting machine to run data. What is the password hash of admin user? So the admin user's pass, it's something starting with Q or something related to dot. So yeah, got you. Paste it. What? Oh, it's the hash. It's asking for the hash. My bad. So I'll just plain text over here is here, and then Control V, enter. Okay, the flag we found is now we just put it. Okay, now that is all for today. Thank you all for joining me in this video. Yeah, I have a bit of change in personality. Goodbye, trashes. See you next time.